If rescue is not imminent, your number one priority is to get yourself out of the water as soon as possible. You can do this either by climbing onto your capsized boat or any other floating objects, or, if it is within reach, by swimming to the shore. In cold water, a person may only retain the ability to swim for up to 30 minutes, but typically it is usually much less than that. The sooner you can get your body out of the water, the greater your chances of survival will be. If rescue is imminent, you should conserve energy and body heat. You may extend your survival time by adhering to the following tips. Wear your personal flotation device. You can expend valuable energy treading water without it. Use the HELP or heat escape lessening posture. You want to keep as much body heat as possible from escaping. If you are alone, cross your arms tightly against the chest and bring your knees up close to the chest. If other passengers are in the water as well, use the huddle technique to maintain body heat. Get the sides of everyone's chests close together with arms around the back and legs intertwined. Learn a recovery technique that works and practice it. Extra cold water protection is also available. Here are some examples. A floater suit is a full nose-to-toes style PFD. An anti-exposure worksuit is a PFD with a thermal protection rating. A dry suit is to be used in conjunction with a flotation device and a thermal liner. A wetsuit traps and heats water against your body, but should be combined with a PFD. An immersion suit is to be used in extreme conditions or upon abandoning vessel, and is usually for offshore use.